What kind of industry era will the future be? A safe, environmentally friendly, stable, efficient, and intelligent industry era. A new era that can liberate more labor and make management easier. We have seen the changes the industry needs and heard the changes the industry wants. Through the analysis of product pain points, it is found that safety, stability, and efficiency are the focus of users' most attention. We have always been at the forefront of the industry, providing the industry with efficient and cutting-edge new technologies and service models. Let us become the industry benchmark with our innovation and passion. Behind every advancement of the industry is the continuous efforts of our Zhengxi people. Today, Zhengxi company has grown into a professional manufacturer of large-scale hydraulic forming equipment and intelligent automated production workshops in Western China, become an all-round and multi-dimensional comprehensive technology enterprise with R&D, manufacturing, sales, service, and information management. Focusing on the modem field and automation field, we continue to develop innovative products that meet customers' needs and continue to provide new high-quality products and professional services for modern infrastructure and new materials. Build a new intelligent and automated unmanned production workshop for everyone. On the road of innovation and development, countless Zhengxi people have devoted their sweat and wisdom. Zhengxi company always implements people-oriented business philosophy, gathers top talents in various industries, continues to pursue excellent quality, and extends to every product of research and development, production and service. The company's main products: composite hydraulic press, joining hydraulic press, pattern forming hydraulic press, forging hydraulic press, cold extrusion hydraulic press, and other models have won unanimous praise from customers and home and abroad. It has more than 40 invention patents and utility model patents, 3 software copyrights, 20 trademark registrations, and has passed Intellectual Property Management System certification, ISO 9001 Quality Management System certification, and